Get ready, because behind me isn't just a plane. It's a window into a secret world. This is the cutting edge of stealth technology, and we're about to show you everything.
Reading is 0.005.
Yeah, matches the schematic. Is the schematic?
Logging the data now.
Decreasing altitude.
Mark.
We have contact. Gentle pressure applied.
Holding position. Perfect fit confirmed.
Ensure alignment with connector 42 alpha. That's the primary interface.
Confirmed on the schematic. Bringing it down now. Okay, the sequence matches the digital schematic now. Confirmed, the alignment looks good.
Right there, the upper left quadrant, the gap seems slightly wide.
It's settled in nicely. The sensor confirms the fit is perfect. Proceed with fastening.
We have visual confirmation on the alignment.
Acknowledged. The sequence is holding steady.
Data metrics confirmed. Proceed with securing.
Bring it down slow. Watch your clearance on the starboard side. Looks good, it's locked in place. Alignment on station 4 looks nominal.
Confirmed. The laser grid is perfectly stable. We are clear for the robot scan.
Maintain pressure on the jig, we're almost seated.
Steady. Hinge point clear?
Yes, engaging the first bolt now.
Every surface, every seam is potential vulnerability. Here, in a controlled environment, technicians
where human hands cannot reach, or where tolerances are measured in microns, automation takes over.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more. Steady on the left. Looks good. All clear. Lock it down.
All right, easy now. Bring it left just a few millimeters. We're looking for alignment on sector 4 before we secure it.
Building a Ghost requires more than just advanced materials. It requires seamless teamwork.
Sensor package Alpha is now secured on bracket 7, confirming green status.
This is not just a camera. It's a highly sensitive multispectral sensor. Each one must be perfect.
This is not just a camera. It's a highly sensitive multispectral sensor. Each one must be perfectly calibrated.
Easy now, clear the starboard side.
Got it. Looks good from here. Torque is set.
Confirmed, clear.
Of all the thousands of components, this is one they hope is never used.
It's incredible how big this is up close.
Agreed. According to the schematics, the team is waiting for us at level 3.
Clearance looks good. Take it down another foot, slow and steady.
Clear on the left.
Confirmed alignment at 400 millimeters.
Approaching final seating position.
The 4 General Electric F-118 engines provide the Ghost with its power, mating them to the airframe.
All right, let's initiate the actuation sequence. Press the button now.
We use the handheld scanner to project this blue line, analyzing the seam in real time to ensure the bond is absolutely flawless.
From its skeleton to its skin, every piece is inspected, tested, and perfected.
All right, bring it down 5 millimeters. Watch the starboard conduit. 5 millimeters down, steady.
This module is the core of the new electronic warfare system. It allows us to detect and neutralize threats before they become critical.
This automated system ensures flawless application, which is vital for the aircraft's low observable profile.
Got the alignment?
Yep, looks flush. Driving the screw now.
We are green across the board. Weapon systems?
Aligned and hot. Navigational telemetry stable.
The pressure reading on A34 seems low according to the manual. Is that correct?
No, that's normal for this altitude. The manual refers to ground tests.
This is the newly installed auxiliary power unit. It provides the critical ground power and bleed air required for the stealth bomber systems.
Hangar 1, confirm green status.
Green across the board, engineer. Clear to roll.
Vector 290, altitude holding steady at 10,000 feet. All systems green. Rudder pedals full and free, aileron full left, full right, elevator full down, full up. Checks complete.
Elevon's articulating smoothly. Parameters reading green.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with rudder sweep.
Control, this is Tech 41. Systems check complete. All indicators are green. We are clear for engine start.
Over.
What we're looking at here is the main processing unit. Once these cables are locked in, it manages the data flow across the entire network.
This convergence point here, highlighted in red, is the source of the anomaly.
And this pathway intersects with the primary sensor array. We need to isolate it.